All right, so this is Radu from Northwest Weatherization. I'm going to go over some software for the rest of us. This is Pipedrive. And Pipedrive, by comparison, if you were to look at Salesforce for a comparable um, set of features, you're probably going to be paying about $65 per user, sometimes 125 or 25 for the lowest end one. With Pipedrive, you can get, for a similar set of features, you can get it for about $15 a month per user. This means that with this software, if it has the same features, it could be very, very powerful. Now, let's go over the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good, the price. Second, features. Right here, as you can see, we have lead, contact, open quotes, and so on and so forth. These are primarily things that I can move around. I can customize these where this will be lead. But basically, the positive side of Pipedrive is I can move along a person who's now a lead. I can move them over to a contact. I can visually see if that person has moved over from contact to an open quote, and then if I move them to finalize their paperwork or if they've paid me already. The second deal is the customization. You can change these deals. If I were to go into this deals, I can change any one of these fields here to customize it the way that I want to. And it has a special API for each one of them. So if I were to go into settings, I want to look at those customized fields. Here are my APIs, so I can go ahead and try and integrate them. Third, it has these activities. This activities is kind of cool because you can integrate them into your calendar. So let's say I want to have Harry Stamper put on the calendar for Monday as an appointment at 3 o'clock. So I put him on there. I go over to Pipedrive, refresh, and then I have Harry Stamper. The downside is that I have to manually link Harry Stamper from here to the deal organization. The deal in the organization being the Harry Stamper deal, I have to link them from here specifically. I don't really have a way of linking them up from here. The second downside of this is that if I were to start add a lead myself, there's no way for me to add that activity in here, or the way that I could link that activity with this deal from here, or how it would link it for me automatically if I were to put Harry Stamper. So this one, the way that I did it here is just that I had the contact in automatically, but that's a little bit of a downside, taking into consideration all the good things that come from Pipedrive. Second, contacts. If you were to go to contacts, let's say that I wanted to delete Tyrion Lannister and Tony Stark. Well, I go over here, but there's no delete. This is possible that it's just user error on my end, but I have to go to each one of these folks and then click delete if I wanted to. If anyone knows a way to do that, a better way to do that, please tell me. And now here's time for the ugly. If you were to go on the actual app that they have, it's very intuitive. You have deals, you have leads, and you have activities, people, organizations, and you even have a search feature. However, the downside is if you were to go to deals, let's pop up the leads on our end and go to Death Star window replacement. If I were to actually hit on the Death Star window replacement in the application itself, and I wanted to edit this application, I wouldn't be able to edit the customized fields that I just added in, that I made. So it's a lot of work, but there's no ability. With that, that's the good, bad, the ugly. Thank you very much for listening, and if you're in the Portland metro area, check out Northwest Weather Station.